Welcome to Blanda's Place. We all love good tacos, but our family's favorite is a shrimp taco.
Now that we're out of school because of the coronavirus, one of the best things to do is to get in the kitchen and cook something good. Today, I was craving shrimp tacos. I'm working on guacamole right now, and I was just dicing garlic. And in here we have avocados and scallions. So you just kind of mix that together and add whatever you think would be good, because guacamole is what you think of it. Make sure you don't forget lime either. Before we put the shrimp in the batter, we gotta make sure that it's nice and dry so that the batter will stay on the shrimp rather than in the pan. The best way to do it is to place it on paper towel or napkins so that it can absorb the moisture from the shrimp. I've got 3 napkins on the bottom so nothing on the bottom gets wet, and then you add an extra napkin on the top so that you can get everything. Just press down a little bit too. This is the most important part of the whole thing, so let's get going on the batter. We're going with a cup of pancake mix. To that, I'm adding 1 egg. Then you'll add a teaspoon of salt to your mixture, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a little bit of black pepper, tablespoon of oil. Then we'll finish it with the beer. This will give it its special flavor. Make sure you don't pour too much beer because you want to have a thick batter for your shrimp. We just need a little bit more, but we're almost there. This is a good consistency. Now we're going to transfer the shrimp into the batter.
For frying, we're gonna need 3 cups of vegetable oil, and we're gonna need a deep dish like this one because we're trying to keep oil as deep as possible. We're gonna cook them on a medium-high fire on about a minute and a half on each side, and it should be done. Best way to find out if they're done is to actually cut them. You just want to make sure that they are thoroughly white inside, like this piece here. This means they're done. Dinner is ready, and so are we. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you'll give it a try and use it to create a special family dinner for your family as well. Thank you all for watching, and until the next time, stay well.